So solve determinant of x plus a, x and x plus a, x plus a is equal to 0. Solve means find the value of x here. In this case, adding all the columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2 plus C3 here. Hence, the determinant of sum of these three columns here, x plus x becomes 3x. 3x plus a. Similarly, sum of these three terms are 3x plus a. Sum of these three terms are 3x plus a. Take second and third column as it is, x plus a and x here. X and x plus a, that is equal to 0 here. Here 3x plus a common factor here. 3x plus a keep outside here. Into determinant of 1 and 1 here. Then write here x plus a and x here. Then write here x and x plus a. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. And here in the first column 1 and 1 is there. So make these two terms 0 there. Hence R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 here. So R2 gives here R2 minus R1 and R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. Hence 3x plus a. 3x plus a into determinant of 1 x and x here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. This minus this x and x cancels, remaining is a. X and x cancels 0 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. X and x cancels, it is 0 here. X and x cancels, remaining of the a here. That is equal to 0. Here 1 a and a, these are the diagonal elements here. One side the elements are 0 here. Then direct multiply the diagonal elements here. Value of this determinant is product of the diagonal elements. Yes, 3x plus a. 3x plus a into a becomes a square. That is equal to 0. So 3x plus a is equal to 0. 3x plus a is equal to 0 or a square is equal to 0. But they already given here a cannot be 0. But a is not equal to 0. Hence 3x plus a is equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus a is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus of a. Then x equal to minus a divided by 3. Value of x is minus a upon 3. So prove that determinant of a square, bc, ac plus c square, a square plus ab, b square and ac, ab, b square plus bc and c square equal to 4a square, b square, c square here. Therefore here, what write here LHS here, prove LHS equal to RHS. In this term, a is the common factor, here b is the common and here c is the common here. Hence determinant of a square, then a into a plus b, then ab here, then bc, b square, b into bracket b plus c, then c common factor here, a plus c, then ac and c square here. Okay. Therefore, taking a common factor, a comma b comma c from first column c1, second column c2, third column C3 respectively. So ABC is the common here. Hence write ABC outside here. From this column A is the common here. Therefore remaining terms are A, then A plus B, then B here. Here B is the common factor. So remaining terms are C, B and B plus C. Here C is the common factor. Remaining terms are A plus C, then A and C here. Then R1 gives here R1 minus of R2 plus R3 here. Yes, so this is equal to ABC here, right, as it is here, into determinant of. Here only first change is here, second and third elements keep as it is. So A plus B, then B and A here, then right here B, then B plus C and C. Then R1 minus of sum of R2 and R3 here. So adding these two and subtract here means A plus A minus sum of this here. A plus B here. Take a minus inside here. A and A cancels. Minus B becomes minus of 2B here. So it becomes minus of 2B. Similarly, so C minus of sum of this here. So B plus C here. Take a minus inside here. Minus C plus C cancel. Minus B becomes again it is a minus of 2B here. So minus of 2B. Then A plus C here. A plus C minus of sum of this here. A plus C. So both get cancels. Remaining is 0. So right here 0. From first column minus 2B common factor here. Take minus 2B common. Hence minus of 2 into A into B and this B becomes a B square. B square into C into determinant of 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Then A plus B and A. So right here A plus B, then B and A, then B plus C as it is. So B, then B plus C and C. Keep as it is. Okay. Here minus 2B is a common factor. Remaining two rows keep as it is here. Now make this one also 0. Means C2 minus C1. So C2 gives here C2 minus C1. Yes, this is equal to minus 2 A square C into determinant of. So first column write as it is 1 A plus C and B. Even the third column also write as it is 0 A and C. Here C2 minus C1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Then B cancels. Remaining is minus of A. This minus this B cancels. Remaining is C. Therefore this equal to minus of 2 AB square into C. And expand this determinant here. So 1 into bracket minus A into C becomes a minus of AC. Minus of A into C becomes AC. Next term is 0. 0 into any term is 0. Even the next term is also 0. 0 into any term is 0. Hence this equal to minus of 2 AB square C minus AC gives minus of 2 AC. Minus 2 AC. Minus this minus becomes a plus. 2 into 2 becomes a 4. A into A square. Then B square. C into this C becomes a C square here. Hence 4 A square B square C square RHS here. So LHS is equal to RHS. If A inverse is equal to the matrix here 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2 and B is equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1. Then find AB inverse here. Okay, so you know the property of the inverse matrix here. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse here. This is the formula. So you know A inverse, you have to find B inverse here. Okay. Therefore, you know that B inverse is equal to what here? Formula is 1 upon determinant of B into adjoint of B here. Therefore, find the determinant of B as well as adjoint of B and use this formula. Then you find the B inverse here. So here determinant of B here, expand this one, determinant of B gives a plus 1 here, not equal to 0, hence it has an inverse. Then we find here cofactors of each element of this matrix here. These are the cofactors. Hence adjoint of the B 3 1 2 3 1 2 first column 2 1 2 here. Then 6 2 5. Then you know this formula. B inverse is 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of A. Hence determinant of B is 1 here. It is 1. Then this is the adjoint of the matrix here. So B inverse is equal to this matrix here. Then use this formula. AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay. Therefore AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse here. Here B inverse is this matrix here. So 3 2 6 1 1 and 2 here. Then 2 2 5 into A inverse is this matrix here. So 3 minus 1 plus 1 here, minus of 15 then 6 minus of 5, then 5 minus 2 and plus 12. Therefore this is equal to multiply row with the column here. Therefore 3 3s are 9 here. So 9 2 15s are 30 minus of 30, then 6 5s are 30 here plus 30. Multiply this row with the second column here. 3 1s are 3 here minus of 3, then 2 6 are 12 here plus 12, then 6 2s are 12 minus of 12 here. Multiply row with the column. 3 1s are 3 here plus 3, then 2 5s are 10 here minus of 10 and 6 2s are 12 plus 12 here. Multiply second row with the first column here. 1 into 3 becomes 3 here. Then 1 into minus 15 minus of 15 then 2 5s are 10 here, so plus 10. Then 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. 1 into 6 becomes a 6 plus 6 and 2 2s are 4 minus of 4 here. 1 into 1 becomes 1. 1 into minus 5 becomes a minus of 5 here. Then 2 2s are 4, so plus 4 here. Then 2 3s are 6, so right here 6. 2 5s are 2 15s are 30 minus of 30 here. 5 5s are 25 plus 25. Then 2 1s are 2 here minus of 2. Then 2 6s are 12 plus 12 and 5 2s are 10 here minus of 10. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 2 5s are 10 minus of 10 and 5 2s are 10 plus 10 is equal to the matrix here. Therefore, minus 30 plus 30 cancels here. These are 9. Then 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 15 gives a minus 2. 25 minus 30 minus 5. 6 minus 5 becomes 1. So simply add two columns also. We get the required result here. Hence, AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is this matrix here. A inverse is the given matrix here. Just multiply it, we get the answer. So E is equal to 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 1 1 1 5 is a given matrix here. Verify that adjoint of A inverse is equal to adjoint of A inverse here. Okay. So you know the formula here. A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. This is the formula. Then adjoint of A, it's a inverse here. Adjoint of A, it's a inverse gives adjoint of A divided by determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A. Okay. So this is a formula. A inverse is a adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Yes, adjoint of A, its inverse gives adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Therefore, first you find here adjoint of the matrix A. Okay. Therefore, in this case, find the cofactors of each element of this matrix here. Okay. So these are the cofactors of each element of these matrices here. This matrix here. Therefore, adjoint of A is 14 11 minus 5, 11 4 minus 3, minus 5 minus 3 minus 1. This is adjoint of A here. Then it's a determinant here. It's a determinant is so 14 into 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, minus of minus 3 into minus 3 minus plus sign here. Minus of 11. 11 into minus 1 is a minus 11, minus of 5 is a 15 here, minus into minus plus, so 15, minus 5, this minus 5 here, 11 is a 33, minus 33, and minus n here, and 5 4s are 20, minus 20, minus 5, minus plus 20 here. So simplify, we get here minus 13 is a common factor here, minus 13 common, so right here 14, and here remaining is 2 here. 2 11s are 22 and the remaining term is minus 5 because minus 13 is common. So simplify this result, we get minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 13 is 169. This is a determinant of adjoint of A. Next you find here this one. Adjoint of A means find the cofactors of each element of this matrix here. Okay. So here these are all cofactors of each element of this matrix here. Okay, each element of this matrix, these are the cofactors here. Yes, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, 13, 26 minus 13 here. 26 minus 39 minus 13. Minus 13 minus 13 minus 65. Okay. Therefore, you know this formula. Adjoint of A inverse is a adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Therefore, adjoint of A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of adjoint of A. This formula we are writing here. Then determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A is 169 here. Hence, you can write a 1 divided by 169 into this matrix here. Minus of 13, 26 minus 13, 26 minus 39 minus 13 minus 13 minus 13 minus of 65. This is adjoint of A inverse here. Then we find here A inverse here. Okay. Okay. Here determinant of here. Determinant of A means it's a determinant here. Therefore, exponent here we get minus of 13 here. Then A inverse is adjunct of A divided by determinant of A here. Yes, the determinant of A is minus of 13. So minus 1 by 13 here. Adjunct of A is this prefix here. Adjunct of A. Okay, use this prefix here. It gives A inverse here. Then you find adjoint of A inverse. Find here adjoint of A inverse here. Okay. Here A inverse is this matrix here. Then find its determinant here. Okay. So determinant of A inverse equal to minus 1 upon 13 raised to 3 into its a determinant here. Because there is a formula determinant of K into A is equal to K raised to n into determinant of A, where K is a constant here. Here K is constant and n is a order of the matrix here. Here order of this matrix is 3 here. N is a 3. N is a 3 and here K is this one here. Hence minus 1 by 13 raised to 3 into this determinant. Expand it here. We get minus 13 into minus 13. Then minus keep as it is here. 13 13 are 13 square here. 13 square cancels. Remaining is 1 by 13 here. Okay. Here this is a determinant of A inverse here. Then you have to find adjoint of A inverse. Therefore take this minus 1 by 13 inside this matrix here. It can be written as a minus of 14 divided by 13. Minus of 11 upon 13, minus into minus plus here, 5 by 13, minus of 11 divided by 13, minus of 4 divided by 13, then plus 3 divided by 13, then 5 divided by 13, then 3 divided by 13, and 1 divided by 13 here. Then you find cofactors of each element here. Okay. Therefore, adjoint of A inverse. First column minus 1 by 13, 2 by 13, minus 1 by 13. 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 1 by 13. Minus 1 by 13, minus 1 by 13, minus 5 by 13 here. This is adjoint of A inverse here. Therefore, here you have to write here here the adjoint of A inverse is this here. So therefore comparing this with the adjoint of A, it's the inverse here. Here comparing this matrix and this matrix, both are same here. Hence we can write here this is equal to adjoint of A inverse here. Adjoint of A inverse equal to adjoint of A inverse. Okay. Okay, next second one here, A inverse of inverse here. A inverse of inverse is given by adjoint of A inverse divided by determinant of A inverse here. Adjoint of A inverse here, adjoint of A inverse. You know, adjoint of A inverse is this matrix here. Okay. You can take 1 by 13 common factor here, 1 by 13 common here. Therefore, 1 upon 13 is the common factor here. Into minus 1, 2, minus 1. Minus 1, 2, minus 1 here. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 5 here. Divided by. It is the adjoint of the A inverse here. You are taking 1 by 13 common. And the determinant of A inverse here. Here you know determinant of A inverse is minus 1 by 13. So minus of 1 divided by 13 here. So this is 13 and this 13 get cancels here. Remaining is a minus 1 here. Take a minus 1 inside this matrix here. Inside the matrix minus become plus and positive term become negative. So plus 1 here, minus 2 plus 1. Then it just becomes a minus of 2 here, plus 3 plus 1. Then a plus 1, 1 and a 5. Therefore, this is a given matrix A here. This is a given matrix A. So A inverse of inverse is equal to A. So this is a procedure to find the solution of this matrix here. Example is not important for the part of examination here. Okay.